So here we have this Viver Kids Barbecue playset. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, and here's everything that came with it. It was all wrapped up pretty nicely, comes with a bunch of different pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there we go. That was super easy. This thing looks pretty cool, and it's put together with these screws and these little plastic pieces that the screws screw into. It's a pretty solid build. The grill itself is made from HDF boards, and then all these little parts are made from solid chunks of wood. Now, this is a really cool little playset. It comes with a bottle of ketchup and a bottle of barbecue sauce. There's also a wooden fork and wooden spatula, along with these tongs. Then there's a little plate, and a bunch of these different really cool little food pieces. And each of these pieces has a hole through it so you can stick them into the skewer. And then the grill's pretty cool as well. It has a grill top that you can pull out, and under that is a spot for the charcoal. They're just double-sided blocks painted with flames. There's also a small shelf above it for the condiments. And then in front there's a little opening to feed the grill, as well as one of these plastic knobs on either side that make a really satisfying clicking sound. So yeah, I think this is a really cool little playset. It's plenty sturdy, really high quality, and I think it'd be a lot of fun for kids to play with.